Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Fusion Kiki. Today I'm gonna show you how I do the deep cleaning of my kitchen. So we will be needed hot water, Vim soap or surf, Scotch Brite and a brush. You can also use a tiles cleaning brush. So let's start. I have cleared the countertop here as you can see. And now I'm gonna start scrubbing the tiles of the wall with the help of a scrubber or a brush. Friends, you can use the Scotch Brite tile cleaning brush also or any deep cleaning brush. And the deep cleaning of kitchen is very important. We should always do it twice in a month at least, because see, even if you are using a chimney, still the oil and everything get accumulated on the cabinets, countertops, on any items which is kept on the open. So here I have used a normal plastic brush for cleaning. You can also use a plastic brush or any old Scotch Brite on a stainless steel one Scotch Brite. Anything will work good for you. Cover all the areas while you deep clean. You can see here I have covered all the areas. And now I'm scrubbing the countertop of my kitchen. Don't forget the area beneath the cabinets. There also you get so much oil accumulated. The brush which I'm using is an old one. I hope you also do such kind of cleaning at your home. Friends, always keep one thing in your mind, that a clean home is a happy home. I know we all remain so busy nowadays, but you can wake up one morning a bit earlier and do this cleaning within just 30 or 40 minutes span of time. Here I am cleaning each and everything thoroughly. The kitchen tiles of my kitchen are white, which I don't like actually, because whatever dirts get in there, it's completely visible. Also my countertop is also of a light orange or skin color kind of, which is also I don't like, because I think it should be in a black or maroon, in a dark shade something, because even if a drop of turmeric goes into the countertop, it gets visible all the time. Here I am cleaning the switchboard also, but you need to be very alert while you clean the switchboards. Kindly switch off the switches and then only you do this, or the best option is to switch off the main lights and then do it. Friends, cleaning is like a therapy. Your mind becomes more clutter free. Also, kitchen is a place where we female used to spend most of the time, like of in a day. So it has to be cleaned, neat, pretty well. Now I'm covering the sink area where my RO is kept. With the help of warm water or hot water, cleaning becomes more easy. I'm covering each and every areas. Nowadays in market you got many cleansing agent like Mr. Muscle or other brands also, which helps pretty well in cleaning your kitchen countertop or anything related to greasy and residual. Here I'm using just simple Vim bar. You can use surf also, or whatever cleaning agent you have. Now friends, I'm going to wipe off all the soap and residue as you can see here in the video. Any old cotton cloth or any t-shirt, a torn t-shirt or a piece from t-shirt, it's become a very good, cleaning cloth. Now I'm going to wipe off all the soap and residue, and after I got finished with the tile and the countertop, now I'm cleaning the cabinets here, you can see. Keeping the white things clean is the toughest task, I think. And everything in my kitchen is of light color here. Clean each and every inch, don't miss any spot. Now this is the opposite wall, opposite where my countertop is, and the windows also get so much greasy all the time, so I clean them in a week or in a 10 days. बस फटाफट रगड़ते जाइए, एकदम चमचमा जाएगा. It's early in the morning, around 7 or 7:15. I woke up early today and I decided to deep clean my kitchen so that I can show you how you can also manage while working or while staying at home. Just woke up one morning a bit earlier and you'll be done. And now I'm scrubbing off the floor. My floor is made up of marble, which is also of white color. And don't forget to cover the corners. Here I'm using the same old plastic brush and have taken a small amount of surf here and keep on scrubbing. अभी जब आप ये सब करते हो तो थोड़ा सा तो थक जाते हैं, लेकिन जब आप इसको completely क्लीन कर लोगे ना तो then you will be a happy dog. And now I'm also gonna wipe off the floor. It's almost done now. Keep wiping. Everything seems so clear now. And now friends, here I am going to clean the aloo pyaj wala storage rack, the cup stand, and also the plastic rack. All these three of the items, I keep them on my countertop and they also get dirty so easily. The oil gets into it, so I also clean them once in a week or a 10 days. And here I am using the stainless steel Scotch Brite and the green one, the Scotch Brite. भी सब चमकने वाला है, पता है. And now we are done. This is the final result. I have deep cleaned my kitchen. Friends, आपको अच्छा लगे तो प्लीज़ मुझे बताइए, कमेंट करिए, सब्सक्राइब करिए चैनल को और अपने फ्रेंड्स को भी शेयर करिए.